Chantal Janzen is a Dutch actress, singer and TV presenter. She had parts in The Preacher, Full Moon Party and Deuce Bigalow, European Gigolo and presented Idols. She also played Belle in the Dutch musical version of Beauty and the Beast and Jane in the Dutch musical version of Tarzan. She also sang a song against cancer called Vecht Mee with Dutch rapper Yes R. From late 2011, she stars as Glinda in the Dutch premiere production of Wicked. Janzen was born in Tegelen. She studied at the Amsterdamse Hogeschool voor de Kunsten. She was taught in classical modern jazz and tap dance, acting, singing and musical repertoire. She played in several musicals, including Crazy for You, Kunt U Mij de Weg naar Hamelen vertellen, Mijnheer, Saturday Night Fever, 42nd Street, Beauty and the Beast, Tarzan and the production of Petticoat. She played several guest roles in TV shows like Bontje, Intensive Care, De Band, Meiden van de Wit and Kinderen Jean Bezwer. She also hosted Staatslotterij Live and the Dutch version of Idols. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.